Hello dear friends, today we will learn how to draw a scenery of fishing.
A boy is fishing sitting beside the pond. See friends, how we can draw this picture very easily. At first, we will draw a boy in this way. Then we will draw the whole picture. Two trees behind the boy and two houses little far away from the boy. We will also complete the background in the similar way. After completing the drawing, we will start applying color. While doing the color, we have to follow the direction of the light. I mean, from which direction light is coming. Here we have to focus in each and every part where light is falling or not. In this way, if we complete whole painting, it will look more natural and more realistic.
So friends, at first you complete the painting and let me know about your experience in our comment box. So thank you, bye bye.